2025 has been nothing short of chaotic. From AI models that can write novels and code entire applications, to companies redefining remote work and productivity, the business landscape has shifted faster than anyone predicted. But here's the pressing question: what happens next? What will 2026 bring for businesses, innovators, and professionals trying to stay ahead? Will AI continue to dominate, or will entirely new forces reshape industries overnight? By the end of this video, you'll understand the trends, the opportunities, and the risks that 2026 holds, and why positioning yourself now could determine your success for years to come. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Staying informed about these trends isn't just smart. It could be the difference between leading the pack or falling behind as the market evolves at lightning speed. AI moves from optional to infrastructure. Over the past 2 years, AI has gone from a novelty to a necessity. 2025 saw hundreds of AI tools flood the market: text generators, design assistants, coding bots, and productivity enhancers. But in 2026, the game changes fundamentally. AI will no longer be a differentiator. It will be expected. Companies that can't justify their existence beyond "it uses AI" will struggle or disappear. Major tech giants are already acquiring promising startups, consolidating the AI ecosystem. Those with defensible data, proprietary algorithms, or deeply integrated workflows will dominate. Consider industries like e-commerce, logistics, and SaaS, where AI isn't just a feature, it's embedded into core operations. Inventory management, customer support, and real-time predictive analytics will increasingly rely on AI as baseline infrastructure. Businesses will face a survival challenge: adapt or be disrupted. Generic AI applications, like chatbots or simple writing tools, will struggle to retain users when superior, integrated AI solutions take over. The era of AI as a selling point is ending. 2026 is the year AI becomes a utility, like electricity or cloud computing. Multimodal AI becomes the norm. Currently, AI systems excel at one modality: text, images, or video. But these experiences are often fragmented. 2026 is poised to unify these capabilities, delivering truly multimodal interactions. Imagine designing a website by sketching your ideas, explaining them verbally, and watching AI produce fully functional code with responsive design. Or attending a video conference where AI not only transcribes conversations, but also summarizes decisions, surfaces relevant documents, and even gauges the emotional tone of participants in real time. Education is another arena poised for transformation. AI will dynamically adapt learning to each student, presenting information via diagrams, interactive simulations, or traditional text depending on learning preferences. The result? Experiences that feel intuitive, seamless, and personal. UX designers will play a pivotal role here, creating interfaces that make these complex AI capabilities feel natural rather than gimmicky. Multimodal AI will also disrupt marketing, content creation, and media production. Brands could create ad campaigns where AI generates video, audio, and visual assets tailored for each platform automatically. The companies that master this integration will gain unprecedented efficiency and personalization, leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. The emergence of the AI native professional. Junior developers entering the workforce today already think differently. They are prompt first rather than syntax first. By 2026, a new professional archetype will dominate: the AI native developer. These individuals will have never learned coding the traditional way. Instead, they will specialize in crafting prompts that optimize AI outputs, integrating AI into complex workflows and architectures, debugging AI-generated code at scale, knowing when not to use AI to avoid overdependence. AI native professionals will spark debates about fundamentals in programming. Traditional coders will view them as outsiders, while companies will increasingly prioritize hiring talent that can leverage AI fluently. Coding bootcamps and technical education institutions will either evolve to teach AI native skills or risk obsolescence. This shift will ripple through tech ecosystems. Companies will create hybrid roles where AI-native developers collaborate with traditional engineers, combining human intuition with AI efficiency. Productivity will surge, and the competitive advantage will belong to organizations that embrace these new capabilities early. Privacy becomes a premium product feature. As AI grows more pervasive, concerns about data privacy will intensify. Consumers are becoming increasingly wary of how their information is collected, processed, and stored. In 2026, privacy-first products won't be niche, they will be mainstream. Expect innovations such as local first AI solutions that operate entirely on your device, end-to-end encrypted collaboration tools that are easy and smooth to use, privacy modes as common as dark mode in apps, transparent privacy nutrition labels that reveal exactly what data is used and how. Surprisingly, companies that prioritize privacy may charge more for their services, and customers will pay. This signals a significant market opportunity. Businesses that protect data will not only gain trust, but also monetize their ethical approach. Privacy will evolve from a regulatory checkbox into a central business strategy. The return of reliable, boring technology. After years of chasing flashy innovation, many companies are paying the price for technical debt, insecure architectures, and unsustainable systems. 2026 will mark a renaissance of reliable, well-documented technology. Mature teams will prioritize stability and maintainability over trendiness. Expect PostgreSQL and other robust databases regaining popularity over newer, less tested NoSQL solutions. Monolithic architectures making a comeback for certain use cases. Server-side rendering becoming preferred for faster, more secure web applications. This isn't about rejecting innovation, it's about efficiency and durability. The most successful teams will be those who balance modern capabilities with pragmatic architecture, shipping faster without constant firefighting. Spatial computing finds its true enterprise use case. VR and AR have struggled to achieve mass adoption despite the buzz around devices like Apple's Vision Pro or MetaQuest. 2026 could finally deliver the iPhone moment, but it won't be in gaming. Instead, spatial computing will shine in enterprise applications. Professional use cases include architects walking clients through buildings that exist only digitally, surgeons practicing complex procedures in fully simulated environments, mechanics conducting remote repairs with augmented overlays guiding them. By demonstrating real cost savings and productivity improvements, spatial computing will become a must-have enterprise tool, transforming industries like healthcare, architecture, engineering, and training programs. Energy efficiency becomes critical for AI development. AI's appetite for energy is immense, with training large models consuming megawatts of power. By 2026, energy efficiency won't just be an environmental concern, it will shape business strategy. Companies will compress models and optimize algorithms for energy efficiency, move AI operations to regions with renewable energy sources, limit availability of high-demand AI services during peak energy periods, track performance per watt as a key metric. Ignoring energy costs will no longer be an option. Businesses that proactively address efficiency will gain both cost savings and public goodwill, while laggards may face operational and reputational risks. Blockchain evolves into practical, invisible applications. After years of hype, blockchain will stop being marketed as revolutionary. By 2026, its real impact will be subtle but critical. Practical applications may include verifiable credentials for remote work, replacing traditional background checks, transparent supply chains for luxury or sensitive goods, decentralized protocols powering social media or content platforms without overtly appearing as blockchain products. The projects that survive won't be flashy. They'll solve real problems quietly. Businesses leveraging blockchain effectively will have a competitive edge, while those chasing hype will fall behind. 4-day workweeks gain momentum. Pilot programs for 4-day workweeks have shown measurable productivity gains. In 2026, major tech companies may adopt them permanently. This trend will Enhance talent recruitment and retention. Drive innovation in productivity tools and condensed work systems. Encourage a culture of efficiency over sheer hours. While not universal, the adoption by high-profile companies will inspire experimentation across industries. Productivity software, team management platforms, and AI-assisted scheduling tools will evolve to support this shift. Developer tools. Empower everyone. Low-code and no-code platforms are finally mature enough to let non-technical users build production-grade applications. By 2026, this will revolutionize internal tools and product development. Operations teams will create their own software without engineers. Founders without technical backgrounds can build businesses faster. Developers will focus on complex, high-value problems, leaving routine tasks to AI-assisted tools. This bifurcation will create a new job ecosystem, a shrinking market for commodity coding, and a growing demand for architects and specialists who can leverage AI for advanced solutions. 2026 is shaping up to be the year of maturation and strategic application. AI, privacy, spatial computing, reliable technology, and practical blockchain will define winners, while flashy, unsustainable projects fall by the wayside. The key takeaway: focus on meaningful innovation, adopt tools intelligently, and invest in skills that remain valuable even as AI automates routine tasks. The gold rush of experimentation is ending. Now comes the hard work: building systems, products, and teams that last. Stay curious, stay strategic, and remember, those who plan ahead will dominate 2026. Hit subscribe now to stay ahead of these trends. The next year will reward those who act wisely, and leaving it to chance could mean missing the next wave of opportunity entirely.